Okay, these are some new soft plush. You can feel it's like soft fabric. Squeezy stress balls. These have a stress ball filled with Orbeez on the inside. And then of course, when you squeeze them, the super gooey stress ball from the inside oozes out of the hole. This is the farm theme set. It comes with 4 different animals. Here we have the cow. Of course, you have to have the piggy shooting some pink bubblegum bubbles. Here's a super cute horse. And what do horses do? Or poop. We got the brown poop coming out of the butt. And of course, I'm a chicken lover. So here's my chicken. Super cute, little wings and everything. And again, the clear white. Super soft and squishy. Fun to play with. Stress ball.